Alrighty then. This engine is from 1980 and it's still going. I got this mower back in 2015. The guy that gave it to me said it's the original engine that came with it. So this is a really strong engine. It's a 17 horse V twin John Deere K series. The reason why I was checking the oil on this is because it's getting way colder outside and I need this thing to be ready for the winter and fall. And this thing has an oil leak. I have to move it to over on the other side of the pool, so I need to make sure that the engine had enough oil in it. Let's do a cold start. This sea is pretty dry rotted and pretty bad. You can see that it's leaking a lot of water, so I'm gonna try not to sit on that side. Okay. Yeah, this key is pretty rusty, but it still works, so I guess it's a plus. So let's do a cold start. Choke is on. Throttle up a little bit, and let's see what she's got. Okay, second attempt. There's gas in it. You know what they say, third time's a charm. Damn it. I'm gonna lift up the throttle a little bit more. Maybe pull out the choke a little bit more. It smokes a lot too. Alright, let's move it over to that side before it runs out of gas. Okay, so she's pretty good and healthy and ready for the winter.